In this video, we'll demonstrate how to stream on Kick using OBS Studio. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about streaming on Kick, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Today, I'll guide you through the process of streaming on Kick using OBS Studio. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just starting, stick around for some valuable insights. To begin, ensure you have OBS Studio installed. If not, you can find the download link in the video description. Once you have OBS Studio open, navigate to the bottom right and select Settings. This will open a menu where we'll configure the necessary settings for a smooth Kick stream. Firstly, verify your video settings. Set the base canvas to 1920 by 1080, the output scale to 1920 by 1080, and the common FPS values to 60. Once set, move to the Stream section and choose Custom under the Service drop-down. To obtain the server and stream key information, head over to kick.com. Click on your profile image, go to Settings, and find your stream key. Copy the stream URL and paste it into OBS, where it says Server. Now copy the stream key from Kick and paste it in OBS. Remember, keep your stream key private. With OBS connected to Kick, let's ensure your stream settings are optimal. Go to Output, select Advanced. Under the Streaming section, focus on the CBR bitrate. Set it to at least 6,000, with 7,750 being the sweet spot. Check your upload speed on speedtest.net to determine your OBS capabilities. Keyframe intervals should be 2. Profile set to high. Now, let's test it. Hit Start Streaming in OBS. It should connect and show Stop Streaming. Verify on Kick's dashboard that you're live. Before you go live on Kick, make sure your stream looks professional. Watch our video on setting up overlays inside OBS for a polished look. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your engagement motivates us to create more content like this. And don't forget to visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com for more tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and happy streaming on Kick with OBS Studio.